So hard I walk alone, blindfold from fort by yard. On guard when I'm asleep, when I wake, anticipate on every move. Fake fools choose to make. Act, I react, counter, roundabouter. Half an hour before the first thought founder. Central nervous system with the power within. In a pose when I get moles into my shoes like inner souls and infiltrate. Intuition means it doesn't take a second glance to recognize their two faces. I stand tall, not bended, to tie shoelaces. Concealed between flesh and the spine, the solid still stainless. A golden heart beats within a platinum chest. For them that cannot guess, my BALLS. Titanium trousers of trouble containing them. Hot girls, I'm sailing them, banging and nailing them.
And off the one that see the grimes going forward. And anytime them simmer them, they'll stop going upward. Them ask me if we make it and you know that we sure could. Because we're good, because we're good, because we're good. And off the one that see the grimes man go forward. And anytime them simmer them are going upward. Ask them if we make it and you know that we sure could. Because we're good, because we're good, because we're good.
Condensed like compressors, put pressures upon contenders. Squeeze, fill them as real as Melinda messengers. Silicone centers, replicas synthetic. Claim to be the thing, yet they're as false as dentures. Give it the macho man masculine image. Your style's as feminine as estrogen. Your mum, you're still living. Enter the gig as a big wig, leave timid as a kid. It appears that you know Eddie Large shit. A little too long in the tooth to be your new jack. In fact, it doesn't take a super sleuth to check truth for proof. When referring to extracts from the booth, as a youth, I was potent like solvent misuse. No longer a man, I'm more refined like designer. Jugger boots to raise the roof, well above the rafters for starters. Flatten floors for afters. With metaphors, you want to put your claws into my banter. You ain't Santa, you're thieving bastard.
Going forward. And anytime them simmer them, they'll stop going upward. Them ask me if we make it and you know that we sure could. Because we're good, because we're good, because we're good. And off the one that see the grinds man go forward. And anytime them simmer them are going upward. Ask them if we make it and you know that we sure could. Because we're good, because we're good, because we're good.
Is it herbs give you words? You're drunk from drink. What you're snorting got you talking. I walk in, nothing but reinforcing. And I pull back like foreskin, prepared to regroup. No, you can't get near to. Our style so wild, it's still rock the amphitheater. For them that never knew but didn't care to. When I was on the DL, I dared to have visions of the TL. That's living large and living a life of luxuries. Where money's honeys and monies and luxuries. Not the fulfillment of prophecies, not the genesis. Dummies, I recognize your devilish ventriloquists. Endless, the struggle, with push coming to shove, having to pull and tug to bring myself out of this mud and this muddle, this puzzle, this maze, this mess, madness. I suggest it's time for me to spit it off on my chest in defiance. David triumphs against you Goliath type giants, not to suffer in silence. I pound you with sounds, words, verbs, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs. Metaphors and similes. More snap, crackle and hip-hop than Rice Krispies. Too deep for the shallow to swallow, to narrow to follow. Tomorrow sounds today.
Hello. Greetings all human beings. His Majesty have mercy, play by the king. Check a 1 2 1 2 it. For them that never knew me, and still pursue me. This is from yours truly. Grimes Minister. Even in a parallel universe, there is none similar. Turn off the one that see the grimes going forward. And anytime them simmer them, they'll stop going upward. Them ask me if we make it and you know that we sure could. Because we're good, because we're good, because we're good. And off the one that see the grimes man go forward. And anytime them simmer them are going upward. Ask them if we make it and you know that we sure could. Because we're good, because we're good, because we're good. 2K and beyond.